Yo, what's up, so scam? Yo, man, can somebody tell me why when niggas be smoking weed, man, and them niggas be getting choked like they about to die? Example. Man, I'm fucked up. Shit. Man, these niggas talking about they want to kick it with me, man. Man, you know I'm a little pistol smoke, man. I carry that thing, man. I can't be having these niggas running behind me, man. Shit. They got me fucked up, cuz. Man, let me hit that junk, though. Let me hit that little junk. Damn. Shit, man, what that is? Damn. Dude, that's that one call. Damn. That's some good shit. Who you got that from? Petro? Damn, dog. Shit, I'm hungry now. Fuck that shit.